सभी पेरेंट्स को नमस्ते। हम लोग आज क्लास 1 का ईवीएस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। एंड सॉरी टू से, मैंने जो इससे पहले क्लास 1 का वीडियो डाला था वो एक्चुअली एसएसटी था, पर मैंने उसमें ईवीएस बोला है। वंस अगेन आई रिपीटेड, वो एक्चुअली एसएसटी है। मैंने लिखने में करेक्शन कर दिया है, पर मैंने बोला उसके वीडियो के फर्स्ट में ईवीएस है। ईवीएस आज वाला है और दैट डे वाला आपका एसएसटी है। चलिए इसमें आते हैं हम लोग चैप्टर नंबर 14, वाटर। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू पुट हार्डवर्क थिंग्स, रेन वाटर, रिवर, लेक्स, पॉन्ड, bath, needed, fire, cook food, things, clean, rainwater, lakes, ponds, villages, river, large, because, most, salty, get, found, drinking, dirty, everyday, make, must, pure, filtered, stored, waste, should, throw, waste, sometimes, easily, smartly, properly, precise, and learn new word source well. अब हम लोग आते हैं एक्सरसाइज में। फर्स्ट है आपका फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। ऑल लिविंग थिंग नीड वाटर टू लिव। नंबर 2, वाटर कम्स फ्रॉम द रेन। नंबर 3, वी कैन फिल्टर वाटर टू मेक इट प्योर। नंबर 4, वाटर कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन मेनी वेज. Number 5, we should not throw waste into the water. Tick or cross. Number 1, animals also need water to live. Right. Number 2, we need water for cooking and drinking. Right. Number 3, we get water only from river. Wrong. We should not turn off the taps after using them. Wrong. Number 5, we should always drink clean water. Right. Write 3 uses of water. 3 uses of water: cooking, drinking, and bathing. Number 2, what are the two ways of purifying water? We must boil it. 2 ways of water: we must boil it first, and second, we can filter water to make it pure. Number 3, why must we drink clean water? We must drink always. We must drink clean water because drinking dirty water can make us sick. Number 4, what are 3 ways of storing water? 3 ways of storing water: well, tank, bucket. And another is dam, but dam is not a domestically you have to use. Store the water. Number 5, why should we not throw waste into the water? We should not throw waste into the water. Water becomes dirty if dirty things are thrown in it. Now next chapter, sorry. Next, it's a puzzle like that puzzle, but one word answer you know. It runs without feet. River, R-I-V-E-R. It falls from the sky but does not get hurt. Rain, R-A-I-N, rain. It is found in our body also. Water, W-A-T-E-R. Open it, water comes out from tub, T-U-V. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch water from this well, W-E-double-L, W-E-double-L. Now next chapter, plant, chapter number 15, plants around us. First you have to mark hard word. Many beautiful friends around these plants, different around growing. Oh, sorry. 2 times is ground. Strong building called below, taller houses, smaller, woody, mehndi, henna, tulsi, shrub, cotton, hard. Green streams called spinach, corridor, mint, grass, herbs. Weak, straight, climber. Ground, creepers. Start, sunlight, plants, grow, life. Generally hold, once again 2 times. Everywhere grow useful because weight, maize, pulses, vegetable, medicines, coffee, gum, paper, shade, shelter, oxygen important, cut, should, nature, etc. Now we have to go in exercise. Banana tree, weight, rose and papaya tree. Fill in the blanks. Very tall and strong plants are called trees. TREES. Number 2. The henna plant is a shrub. SHRUB. Number 3. Herbs have soft and green stems. STEMS. Number 4. Climber. CLIMBERS. Climb up trees and houses. Number 5. Plant give us clothes. CLOTHES. Cloth to wear. Now matching. Banana tree, rose herb, mustard shrub, pea climber, pumpkin creeper. Next, trees, herbs and shrub. Mango, banyan, BANYAN, banyan and apple. Is trees, herb, rose, tulsi, henna, and shrub is rose, tulsi, henna. Now matching. Chapati made from wheat, chips made from potatoes, sweets made from sugar, sauce made from vegetable and salad made from tomatoes. आप लोग सभी मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें एंड प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग सब्सक्राइब करिए. आप लोग जो लोग वीडियो देखते हैं अपने बच्चों को स्टडी कराते हैं और वीडियो को शेयर और लाइक करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय. गुड.